Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our group are going to do a presentation on how the water treatment process is carried out in one of the state in Malaysia. The state that we choose is Kelantan. It is located in northeastern Malaysia, bordering Thailand, Narathiwat province, and bordered by Perlis, Perak, Terengganu, and Pahang, which is the other Malaysian state. There are 6 available raw water sources for Kelantan. First, we have Golok River that acts as a natural border between Kelantan and Thailand. Second, we have Kelantan River, which is the main river flowing through Kelantan. And the third one, we have Galas River, a major tributary of the Kelantan River. The fourth, we have Lebel River, another major tributary of the Kelantan River. The next one, we have Pergau River, located in western Kelantan. And the last one, we have Nenggiri River, another tributary of the Kelantan River. So, today's topic, we are going to be focusing on Golok River.
I'm going to talk about the issue of problem relating to clean water supply in Sungai Golok. First, flooding and water contamination. Seasonal flooding is common in the region, especially during the monsoon season. Flood water often mixes with the sewage and industrial waste, contaminating clean water resource. So, the Golok River sometimes overflows, leading to disruption in water supply infrastructure and contamination of groundwater and surface water. Second, pollution from agriculture and industry. Runoff from agriculture activities such as fertilizer and pesticides enter the river and water catchment areas. Small-scale industry or improper waste disposal in nearby settlement can introduce pollutant into water source. Third, aging or inadequate infrastructure. In rural and semi-urban areas like Sungai Golok, water treatment facility may be outdated or poorly maintained. Pipe leakage and non-revenue water loss due to leaks and theft. Instead of it reduces the efficiency of the water distribution system. I'm going to talk about the authority possible for developing, supplying, and managing clean water to end user in Sungai Golok. The authority responsible for developing, supplying, and managing clean water to end user in the Sungai Golok area of Malaysia is Air Kelantan Sedang Berhad, or in short form AKSB. AKSB is the state-owned water operator for Kelantan, overseeing water treatment, distribution, and infrastructure maintenance through the state.
Before raw water is safe to drink, it needs to go through a cleaning process called water treatment, and in Sungai Golok there are several main sources. Sungai Golok is a big river that flows between Kelantan and Narathiwat. It's the most important sources of raw water in this area. The river collects from rainwater and water from smaller river called Anak Sungai. Smaller river that flows in Sungai Golok called Anak Sungai. It is Sungai Jedok and Sungai Lanas. It helps to increase more raw water in Sungai Golok to help the people. Besides river, some area also use groundwater, water that is stored under the ground like a hidden sponge. Water is pumped from wells and then got treated. Government project is one of the main sources of raw water in this area. It called Projek Lembangan Sungai Bersepadu Sungai Golok, and it helps to store more water to make sure there's enough raw water for the people.
Okay, there is 6 raw water treatment process in Kelantan. First, we have intake and screening. So, intake and screening is used to remove the debris from the water. The second one is coagulation. Coagulation is a process adding alum to the water by for blinding particles. Third one is sedimentation. Sedimentation is a process let the solid settle. The fourth one is filtration. Filtration is a process that is through the water into the sand and gravel to make it more clean and filtered. Okay, next is disinfection. Water will be more clean by adding chlorine or ozone. The sixth one is by storage and distribution to send to reservoirs or home.